In today's video, I'll show you how to change your password on Crunchyroll. First, open your browser and go to the official Crunchyroll website, and make sure you're logged into your account. Once on the home page, click your profile in the upper right, then select Settings. Scroll down to the Account section and click on Password, then choose Reset Password. Enter your email address and click Send. Next, open your email inbox and look for the message from Crunchyroll about resetting your password. Click the Click Here link in the email. You'll then be able to enter your new password, retype it to confirm, and click Reset Password. After that, you can log in again using your new password. And that's it! That's how you change your password on Crunchyroll.